Alright folks, Nathan from KBL Texas Homestead, and welcome back to the channel. I'm probably not gonna use this intro because I'm gonna actually incorporate this video or this clip into another video that I was making. But I've got a video of me replacing a tractor tire, or trying to fix it, trying to get it to reseat, and I was unsuccessful. So after fighting it for a day, I finally did what I should have did from the get-go. Took the tire off, inspected it, and upon inspection, that tire was bad. The seating bead on the inside was just completely wore out, gone, busted out. And I'll show you some of that. But I'm shooting this little clip right now because I'm fixing to go play ranch hand out in the back, tend to my cows. But I had to order a new tire. And my new tire just rolled up to the doorsteps. Literally, just rolled up. It's about 10 a.m. and the FedEx man rolled it all the way up to the porch and dropped it off for me. So I did appreciate it. That's a heavy booger. Only unfortunate thing is now I've got to carry it or roll it all the way back yonder, right there where the tractor's at. That's where it messed up on me, in the front yard, right in the front. Luckily it was hidden behind some trees and wasn't causing no big ruckus. But yeah, right in the front yard. So I got to get that fixed up. But this tire, I'm not gonna fight it. I'm actually gonna take this tire and put it in the truck first. Load up the old tire and rim and put it in the truck. And I'm gonna haul it down to a local mom and pop's tire shop, let them put it on. Cause I ain't fighting it again. I fought it for a whole day, tore up my finger. I'll see if I can show you a clip of that. I don't know how good you'll be able to see that. Look at that finger. Oh, I tore that finger up, tore the insides up. It sidelined me for a couple days. It wasn't nothing nice. All right, folks. First thing we want to do is get this strap on all the way around. In the middle of the tire, as close to the center as you can. We'll ratchet it down, try to pop this tire, try to pop the beads into place and get this seated up on the rim, close these gaps up. Okay, here I attempted to fix the tire, but this was the tire that I spoke of earlier that had the bead on the inside blowed out, so it never sealed. I eventually took the rim and tire off completely, took it down the road with the new tire and had them put it on for me. Alright folks, I didn't get much of the brush hogging on camera as I was afraid to set up my camera and have it damaged by flying debris. But we'll take you on a tour and show you what we got done for the day. While you're out checking fences, make sure that you're checking for treats. Look at this. It's a good afternoon snack. Don't mind if I do.